Hi guys, so are you there? You've never tried mushrooms, or even though you have ever tried mushrooms, please come and let me teach you another brilliant way of making your mushrooms. This is a finger licking recipe, and it's also a healthy recipe. I've not put any spices in this recipe. It is just ingredients that you can find at the comfort of your home. And let's make this healthy, delicious meal. So basically here what you're doing, I was just trying to show you like the portions that are made of the red onions. They should be that small, and this is the best way to have your garlic. Always ensure that you grate your garlic, but if you also have a sharp knife, you can always slice your garlic into very small portions. And then these ones are pulses. You can always substitute pulse to cilantro, and the quantity can vary, but always remember that I've listed down below the ingredients and the quantities in the description box below. And by the way, if you don't know the description box, you can always comment. I don't mind showing you the description box below. So here we have our mushrooms. This is how I love slicing my mushrooms. And comment down below and tell me, do you prefer washing your mushrooms before cutting them or after? Personally, I prefer washing them after cutting them, because I tend to think that if I wash them before I cut, I'm still going to handle them, and personally that is not so hygienic when it comes to like me. And wash them in salty water. So there we have some onions, parsley, grated garlic, salted butter, and the mushrooms. Let your butter heat up perfectly. After that, you're going to add in your mushrooms. Okay, and since my butter is salted, I'm not going to be adding any salt for this recipe. Okay, yes. So after that, this one I was showing you because I wanted to really insist. Please remember that mushrooms have their own water. Okay, they have their own water, so don't add any water, and don't add anything until all the water content is evaporated. Okay, so after that, you're now going to add in your onions at that juncture. After adding onions, you're now going to add in our garlic. And remember, garlic, when you put garlic in food, it usually tends to burn, so always be keen. And then we're now going to add in some parsley, and after that, in just 6 minutes, our meal is ready. Because pulses are a source of vitamins, and it's not advisable for us to cook vitamins for quite a long time. So our buttered mushrooms are ready, guys, and these ones are a 10 out of 10. We've not put any spice, we've just used things that we can find at the comfort of our home. And you can decide to eat your mushrooms with rice, ugali, chapati, or have them as they are. God bless you for watching.